Hello everybody, it's me Nia. Recently I was sent a full face of Beauty UK makeup and I thought I'd test it out because everything is under £6. If there are any good products here I thought it would be good to share because they're very affordable. I'm going to start with this eyebrow pencil. It's the Simply Defined eyebrow pencil in Auburn because I always start with eyebrows. Actually, to be honest, I don't know why I start with eyebrows because sometimes I get my foundation in it and that is just the worst. I am so hungry. My eyebrows look very ginger. I'd say that this is pretty good because it makes your eyebrows look quite natural. So if you're either looking for that natural eyebrow look or you're starting out with makeup and you want something to practice that natural eyebrow look, then this is pretty good. My eyebrows have definitely looked worse. Now I'm going to go onto the face makeup. This is the Matte FX foundation in the shade Ivory, which is the lightest shade. Ooh. Oh, I love this little bottle. It's like a squeezy bottle. Where's my brush? Here it is. I was actually sent this brush. It's by Look Good Feel Better, but honestly, it's my new go-to foundation brush. I love it. Dot, dot, dot. This has not done a lot to my face. I have quite red cheeks. I mean, you might be able to tell a difference on camera, but for me right now, I can't tell a lot of difference. I'll try the concealer, and if I add any concealer, I'll see if it helps me out at all. Whew. Number one looks very orangey. Okay, well, never judge a book by its cover, am I right? It might just pop out and be like, did you actually think I was going to be orange? I think maybe this is orange so that it cancels out the dark circles because like colour correcting. I mean, if you're going for the fullest of full coverage, these probably aren't the best, but if you're going for more of a natural look, then go for it. Now I'm using the Ultimate Contour Chubby Stick, and I never ever use contour sticks or blush sticks or anything. This brush is really nice, it's soft. I'd say that you can use it for foundation as well, but they said that they'd recommend using it to blend out contour, which is what I'm doing right now. Pretty sure I did that one lower than the other side. The blending on the viewfinder, it looks really bad, but in real life, it looks pretty good. Now I have two blushes. This one has a little new sticker on, so I guess this is a new thing. It's a stick blush, like the stick contour. Where did I put it? Here. So it's a stick blush, a bit like the stick contour, and I've also got a baked blush. I think I'm going to go for the baked blush because I think it will be just a wee bit more, what is that word? Subtle. I'm hoping that, seeing as it looks pretty glowy, that it might give me a little bit of a highlighty glow. This is weird for me because I barely ever wear blush. I think it's nice, it just gives you like a healthy glow. I might actually start wearing more blush then. Now I have this eyeshadow palette. It's in the shade, it's in the shade number 3, Pure Romance. And it comes with your classic little thing in the sponge, you know. And then, oh, there's a little mirror up there. How handy. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush that he sent me and take the white shade here and just set my eye. At the moment I've been doing a lot of orangey eyeshadow, so this is quite weird. Where's my little crease brush gone? Oh well, I guess I'll just use this one for now. I'm going to take, do they have shade names? No. Well, I'm going to take this one here, just as a sort of transition shade. Now I'm going to take this one, I'm going to take this shade and put it in my crease. Now I'm going to take, where did that little brush go? Here it is. I'm going to take that white and just put it on my lid. I think I'm going to take this colour here and I'm just going to, wow, that's so pretty. And then I'm going to go back in with the transition shade and just blend them both together a bit more. I'm not sure if they do mascara, they didn't send me one, so I'm just going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm going to use my £1 Primark eyelash colours. I feel so different because I'm wearing natural eyeshadow. Usually my eyeshadow is a lot more intense and stuff. I feel like this is quite a natural summery look. I'm really liking it. They sent me 2 lipsticks. I'm going to swatch them and then put on my favourite one. So this one is in the shade Vampire. It's a glossy lipstick. That was the most diagonal swatch I've ever seen. We all know who the actual swatch queen is though. It's me, Vampire. Okay, and then this one is a matte lipstick and it's called Daredevil. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's quite shimmery. This is less of a full-on pigmented lipstick. It's more natural. My swatches are so messy. I never usually wear like bright, vibrant lipstick, and I never really wear brown eyeshadow that much. At the moment I've just been sticking with my orange eyeshadow and I'm liking it. It's got quite a pearlescent shine to it, you know what I mean? I might try this one over it, just darken it up a little. It's called Vampire. It's definitely quite vampy, am I right? Yeah, I like it. I'd say overall, I'd say that if you're starting out with makeup or you just want some affordable, good quality makeup, then I would recommend Beauty UK. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what your favourite product that I tried out was, and I will see you next time. Goodbye!